Do you want to shop in English with confidence? Today, we'll practice real supermarket talk.
Perfect timing. I go shopping later.
Then this is for you too, Leo. Welcome back to Leo and Anna English.
So, Anna, what's the plan today?
We walk through one shopping trip together, from the door to the checkout.
Oh, I like that. Step by step.
Right. So you walk in. What first?
I grab a basket or a cart.
Good. A small basket or a big cart.
I always take a cart, then I regret it.
Why do you regret it?
Because a big cart wants to be full.
Oh, that's so true. And a quick note here, everyone. Americans say cart. It's very common.
But in Britain, they say trolley.
Right. Same thing, different word.
So don't worry if you hear both.
Exactly. Both are correct.
An empty cart looks sad, you know?
So you buy more.
Exactly. The cart controls me.
Okay, let me tell you my last trip. I went in for 3 things only: bread, eggs, and milk. Simple.
3 things. Sounds easy.
I came out with 2 full bags.
What happened in between?
I don't know. Chocolate happened.
Ah, the snack aisle. It's dangerous.
Wait, aisle. That's a useful word.
Oh, good catch. Let's explain it.
An aisle is the long path between shelves, like the snack aisle or the fruit aisle.
And the S is silent. We say aisle, not isle, just aisle.
Try it today, everyone. The bread aisle.
Okay, back to your shopping trip.
It wasn't a disaster.
2 bags for 3 things? Come on.
Fine, maybe a small disaster.
So how do you stop buying too much?
I make a list now, always.
A list. I never do that.
I know, that's your problem, Leo.
Wait, is it really that helpful?
Yes, a list keeps you focused. You walk in, you get your items, you leave.
But lists feel so boring.
Boring saves money, my friend.
Okay, fair point.
Let me give you real phrases now. First, when you can't find something.
Oh yes, I always get lost.
You ask a worker. Stay calm. Say, "Excuse me, where's the milk?"
Short and clear. I like that.
Or, "Where can I find the bread?"
And what does the worker say back?
Maybe, "It's in aisle 5, or "It's at the back on the left."
Aisle 5, back on the left. Got it.
You don't need long sentences. Short and polite is enough.
That's a relief, honestly.
Many learners think they need perfect grammar.
And then they freeze and say nothing.
Exactly. Don't wait for perfect.
Just ask. People want to help.
Now, let's talk about fruit and vegetables.
Oh, the fresh part of the store.
Right. Sometimes you weigh them yourself.
Weigh them? On a little machine?
Yes, you put your apples on the scale.
A scale. That's the weighing machine.
Good. It tells you the weight and price.
I always press the wrong button.
Then you get the wrong sticker.
One time I weighed bananas as potatoes.
Oh no, cheaper at least.
The cashier just laughed at me.
See, even small mistakes are fine.
True, nobody got angry.
Here's a question people ask a lot. How much is this?
Simple, for when there's no price tag.
Or you can say, "What's the price?"
And maybe the worker says a number.
It's $2 each.
$2 each. Clear enough.
Don't be afraid of the word each.
It means one by one, right?
Yes, $2 each means per item.
Got it. 1 apple, $2.
One more tip about fresh food.
Oh, like milk and yogurt.
Yes, always check the date on top.
The best before date, you mean?
Right, it tells you when it's still good.
I learned that the hard way.
Bad milk in your coffee?
Worse, bad milk in my cereal.
Oh no, that's a terrible morning.
I now check every single carton.
Good habit. Fresh food, happy stomach.
That should be on a poster.
Let me tell you one more story. Last month, I was in a new store. I couldn't find the rice anywhere.
Oh no, the rice hunt.
I walked every aisle twice.
Twice, Anna, just ask someone.
I know, I was too shy. Finally, I asked a young worker. He smiled and walked me right there.
See, people are kind.
It took 10 seconds. 10!
And you wasted 20 minutes before.
Don't remind me.
Okay, so we found everything. Now the scary part, the checkout.
Why is it scary for you?
Because the cashier talks fast.
Ah, the cashier. Let's slow it down. A cashier is the person at the register.
The one who takes your money.
Right, and they ask simple questions.
Like what? Give me examples.
Did you find everything okay?
Oh, I always panic at that one.
Don't. Just say, yes, thank you.
That's it? Just yes, thank you?
That's it. They're being friendly.
Huh. I made it bigger in my head.
We all do that. It's normal. Next question. Cash or card?
Okay, that one I know.
You say, card, please. Easy.
Or cash, please. 2 words.
See, you're already doing great.
What about bags? They always ask.
Good one. They say, do you need a bag?
And I say yes, please, or no, thanks.
Perfect. You're a natural now.
Don't push it.
There's one more useful phrase. Sometimes they say, do you have a card?
A card? I just said card.
No, a different card, a points card.
Oh, the store loyalty card.
Right, you collect points and save money.
And if I don't have one?
Just say, no, I don't. Simple.
No drama. I like it.
Now, here's a phrase I love. When something is cheap, we stock up.
Stock up. What does that mean?
It means you buy a lot at once.
Oh, like buying 10 cans of soup.
Exactly, because they're on sale.
On sale. That means cheaper, right?
Yes, a lower price than normal.
So I stock up when it's on sale.
Perfect. You used it right away. I do that with coffee, always.
Of course you do. When coffee's on sale, I buy 6 bags.
That's stocking up, my friend.
But sometimes the deal is a trick.
Oh? What do you mean?
Buy 2, get 1 free. Sounds great.
But you only needed one thing.
Right. So you spend more, not less.
That's a smart point, Leo.
See? I learn too sometimes.
Sometimes. You know, here's the real lesson. A short, clear sentence beats a perfect, silent one.
Ooh, say that again.
A short, clear sentence beats a perfect, silent one.
That's so true. Write it down, everyone.
People don't grade your grammar at the store.
They just want to help you shop.
Exactly. So speak, even if it's small.
This reminds me of something funny.
Oh? Tell me.
Last week, I forgot the word for bag.
What did you do?
I just pointed and said, "This, please."
And it worked, right?
It worked perfectly. She gave me a bag.
See, communication is not only words.
A smile and a point can save you.
True, but let's learn the words too.
Of course, pointing is just backup.
Oh, one more real situation. What if you buy the wrong thing?
Ah, can you return it?
Yes, you go to the customer service desk.
And what do I say there?
I'd like to return this, please.
Short and clear again.
They might ask, do you have the receipt?
The receipt, that little paper, right?
Yes, the paper that shows what you paid.
I always throw mine away.
Then keep it next time.
Lesson learned. Keep the receipt.
Oh, and one modern thing.
What's that?
Many stores have self-checkout now.
Ah, the machine you use yourself.
Right, you scan your own items.
I find those machines so confusing.
They talk to you step by step. Please scan your next item.
And then, please place it in the bag.
Exactly. Just follow the voice.
But mine always shouts at me.
Shouts at you?
Expected, unexpected item in the bagging area.
Oh, that one. So annoying.
Then a worker comes to help.
And that's fine. They're used to it.
True. No need to feel shy.
Hey, If this is helping you today,
Drop a like so we know you're with us.
and follow Leo and Anna English for more.
We do this every week just for you.
Okay, let's do a quick recap.
Good idea. What did we learn?
1. Grab a basket or a cart.
2. Make a list like Anna says.
Finally, you agree.
3. Ask a worker when you're lost.
Excuse me, where's the bread?
4. At the checkout, stay calm.
Cash or card? Card, please.
Do you need a bag? Yes, please.
And the big one, speak, don't freeze.
A short, clear sentence wins.
So this week, go to a store. Try just one English phrase, just one.
And tell us how it went.
We'd love to hear your story.
That's all for today, friends.
Go shop with confidence. You've got this.
See you next time on Leo and